Accept. I accept your apology. Advice. She gave me great advice. Apologize. He apologized for being late. Apply. I applied for a new job. Appreciate. I really appreciate your help. Arrive. We arrived just in time. Assist. Can you assist me with this task? Behave. Children should behave well in class. Belong. This book belongs to me. Break. Don't break the glass. Bring. Bring your laptop tomorrow. Cancel. We had to cancel our trip. Carry. He carried the box upstairs. Celebrate. Let's celebrate your success. Change. You've changed a lot this year. Check. Check your email again. Collect. He collects old coins. Complete. Please complete this form. Continue. We'll continue after lunch. Control. Try to control your emotions. Cook. I love to cook Italian food. Count. Can you count from 1 to 10? Cut. She cut the paper in half. Decide. I decided to study abroad. Deliver. They deliver food to your door. Depend. It depends on the situation. Describe. How would you describe him? Design. I design websites for clients. Destroy. The fire destroyed the building. Develop. He's developing a new app. Discuss. Let's discuss the details later. Discover. They discovered a secret room. Divide. Divide the cake into 4 pieces. Dress. She dressed quickly and left. Drive. I drove all night to get there. Drop. Don't drop your phone. Earn. He earns good money as a designer. Encourage. My parents encouraged me to study. Enjoy. I really enjoy your company. Enter. She entered the room quietly. Expect. We didn't expect rain today. Experience. I experienced culture shock at first. Fail. Don't be afraid to fail. Feed. She fed the cat before leaving. Feel. I feel better now. Fill. Fill the glass with water. Find. Did you find your keys? Follow. Follow the rules, please. Forget. I forgot your birthday. Sorry. Forgive. I forgive you. Don't worry. Freeze. The water froze overnight. Get. I got a new phone yesterday. Grow. He's grown so much this year. Handle. Can you handle this situation? Happen. What happened last night? Help. Can you help me with this? Hold. Hold my hand. Hope. I hope it works out. Improve. You've really improved your English. Include. The price includes breakfast. Introduce. Let me introduce my friend. Invite. She invited us to her wedding. Join. Would you like to join our team? Keep. Keep your phone on silent. Kick. He kicked the ball hard. No. I know what you mean. Laugh. They laughed at his joke. Lead. He led the team to victory. Learn. Learn from your mistakes. Leave. She left without saying goodbye. Let. Let me think for a second. Lie. Don't lie to me. Listen. Listen to the music. Lose. Don't lose your passport. Make. Make yourself comfortable. Manage. He manages a small company. Mark. Mark the correct answer. Match. This color doesn't match your shirt. Miss. I miss my friends a lot. Move. We're moving to another city. Notice. Did you notice that? Offer. They offered me a discount. Order. Let's order pizza tonight. Pass. He passed all his exams. Pay. I'll pay by card. Plan. We planned everything carefully. Practice. Practice makes perfect. Prefer. I prefer coffee to tea. Protect. Protect your skin from the sun. Reach. He finally reached his goal. Realize. I just realized my mistake. Receive. Did you receive my email? Recognize. I didn't recognize you at first. Refuse. He refused to help. Relax. Just relax and take it easy. Remember. Do you remember our trip? Repair. He repaired his old bike. Save. Save your money for later.
Send. Send me a message when you're ready. Spend. I spent the whole day studying.